Welcome to this minute-and-a-half tutorial of rib number 7. I'm going to speed through centering, opening up, and pulling a cylinder to start laying in the shape for our ribs. So what you want to do is take the shape of the rib in mind, and when you are pulling up your walls, you want to just kind of stay close to the shape, your end product shape that you are going for. So you'll see here that the rib needs to be wet and the clay needs to be wet, and it's super easy peasy. You just line it up flat on your bat and that will give you the same starting point. Especially with a rib like this that has a lot of teeth, it would be hard to line it up by eye. So you always want to keep the bottom of rib 7 flat against your bat system or your wheel head. And I'm just going to do this a couple times, pulling up from the bottom, filling in the gaps, and then refining the edge at the top. All the edges of the ribs are usable, which is really great. So you can use one tool to do multiple things. As you can see here, I'm using the back to refine the lip of the vessel. So just go back over as many times as you need to make your impressions as deep as you want. And then you are going to clean up your pot as normal. You can leave it like this and just wipe down, or you can pre-trim, which is what I'm doing here. This pot can be a no trim pot, or I can come back and trim with my trimming tools if I want. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time.